We're really looking forward to the concert tonight. As you can see, we're finally here at St John Smith Square this afternoon rehearsing with the orchestra.
Playing side by side with the students from Royal Holloway is a real pleasure, and actually they're the most amazing group of receptive young people who just want to do their very best, and it's such a pleasure.
It's terrific. The students did a wonderful job. I mean, they have to rehearse really intensively before these events.
It's been a wonderful evening. I'm so proud of our students, both in the orchestra and in the choir. They've had a great privilege to perform some fantastic work, well-known work from Beethoven, but also a world premiere tonight, Pearl of Freedom, celebrating the life and work of Emily Wilding Davison.
The music with it was very inspiring. It's quite new and very fresh, and beautifully sung by Royal Holloway.
Playing in St John Smith Square was a real honour. It's such a stunning venue to play in.
It was amazing. It was, like, the atmosphere was really buzzing. The world premiere went really well, and the Beethoven was just so inspiring. To have all the energy there on the concert, like, there's nothing like it.